Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of field data or field data tab in QlikView. So we are having this particular field data tab in the edit script window. So you can go to this menu bar and go to edit script, or you can also type Ctrl plus E. Now, whenever I will be going over here, you can see one tab over here from the data from files. So this is the field data tab. This is similar to that of your web file, but what is the difference that we will see? I'll click on this particular field data. You can connect it with a local file, internet file, or from the field. So this is nothing but a wizard. So from this, we can connect it with a local file. We can connect it with an internet file. You can give the link, or you can just give the address of that particular link which we want to take. So I'll just take a local file. I've clicked on local file. Click on browse. Now go to this particular folder. So this is the folder consisting of different types of files, CSV and Excel. Now I'll select the file which is Excel file, Office City Sales. Click on open. This is nothing but the link of that particular file. The path is being given over here of that particular file. Then click on next. Then if you don't want this particular A, B, C, D, so these are nothing but alphabets given for each of the columns or the fields. So if you don't want this, so what we have to do? Go to the labels, select embedded labels. Then the tables which we have selected is nothing but Office Citizens. You can see over here. And the file is nothing but excel.xlsx format. Next, and finish. The code is going to appear over here. Yes, this is the code. Now you can click on OK. So after this, you have to go to this particular menu bar and click on reload so that the lines is going to fetch. So Office City Sales table is going to be loaded in this particular main sheet. This is the main sheet or the QlikView document. Now if you want to see that particular data, how we are going to see? So right click over here, go to the new sheet object, go to this particular table box. Now if you want to give the title, we can give the title, or if you want, we can leave it as it is empty. So I'll make it empty only. So over here I'll keep it as it is. If you want to give the title, you can give, or else you can keep it empty. So from the available fields, I'll click on add all. So the fields will be displayed over here. From which table you want, so I'll select a table that is Office City Sales. Then click on apply and OK. Now this is the table which is going to be displayed over here. So this is the particular table which is being displayed over here. So these are the fields: market size, office sales, state code, and territory. And maximize this. Yeah. So we can see this. So in this way, we can take the data with the help of field data tab. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.